Hey YT family, it's Doll Baby 4400. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, I hope that you guys will stay and subscribe. And to my old writers, love you guys bunches. So you guys, I'm coming at you today with a Dollar Tree do-it-yourself. It's a blinged out sign. And yeah, I've already completed one, and I want to show you what you need for this project. The first thing you're going to need is some type of bling wrap. This particular bling wrap I got from Hobby Lobby, and it was $9.99, and I had a 40% coupon. The next thing you're going to need is some glitter. I'm not sure if I'm going to use this glitter or not. I believe I got this glitter from the dollar store or either Dollar General. The next thing you're going to need is some sort of spray paint, unless you want to keep it black. Here is some white I'm going to use, Krylon. And here is a almond color I'm going to use. And I got this from Lowe's. I think this is gloss almond. That's what I used on the other one. And then you're going to need a pair of scissors. And you're going to need some type of adhesive. But let me show you these first. These are the signs. I love these, but they're very delicate. I know it's only the dollar store, but I expected more. The hooks in the back just kept on falling every time I tried to hang it, and it made a mess. So you do have to be very careful with them. This is one that says memories. And yeah, so with this one that I've already completed, sorry, I'm not all the way in camera shot. This is family. And I spray painted this and I applied the bling wrap. But as you can see, it started to, because I hung it from the tabs in the back, it fell several times and broke. It scratched up the top here, and then it broke where the M is. So I had to re-glue that. I was disappointed. I put the bling on the bottom. Since it was going to sit up high on the wall, you could see that. So I'm hoping once I do apply it with the commando strips that it will work out. And don't know which one I'm going to use yet, guys. But I'm going to use one of these. And you're going to need some type of adhesive or glue of some sort. I will be using this super glue, the sticky kind, not the E6000 this time. Unfortunately, I ran out. And I would suggest pre-cutting the bling wrap, fitting it and pre-cutting it so you can just keep moving as you apply it. I will be doing the spray paint in a well-ventilated area. I'm going to be doing that outside. Here we go. Spray, spray, spray away. I let the first coat dry and then I reapply again to the second coat. Allow it to completely dry before I start to apply my bling wrap. I'm on my back porch, so all is good. Okay guys, this is actually day 2. I got tired, had to run around and do some things. So I'm back today to finish off applying the bling wrap to all 3 of them. So let me kind of show you that I've already done this one. Isn't it gorgeous? I just wanted to show you guys because it does take, it's easy to do, but you have to make sure every piece is in correctly and neatly, as you can see here. So this one is done. I'm just going to show you a little bit of what I do on these pieces. So I'm going to be working on this live sign, and I've already pre-cut my bling wrap. Makes it easier when you pre-cut it and then go to lay it. Yeah, so you need your glue, and fortunately I found my E6000, guys, and I just apply some of it on there. I'm going to show you really quick. Not a whole lot, just a little bit. These are already pre-cut, so I can just lay them down and then they're good. Not a hard job, very, very easy and quick. Let's move to the next one. Applying the glue and putting on the bling wrap. The reason why I'm not going to do it on camera, you guys know that I'm not good. This is the final product, and it came out so beautifully. Would you look at that? I hope you get a good look at it. I don't know how my camera's coming off. That family is the one I showed you in the beginning, but it actually was not finished. This live sign, see the bottom. That's how I've done all three of them. Very, very cute. Don't know where I'm going to put them yet, but I love this project. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing.